we have decided to visit Clifton Court, located just 1 kilometer off the Superhighway. These 4-bedroom mansionettes are going for just 20 million Kenya shillings, sitting on a 40 by 80 piece of land. So, let's visit this property and know what this Clifton Court installed for us. So, karibuni. When you enter here, we have this good gate for privacy. And of course, this is Clifton House. Today we decided to visit here so that we can have a look at what is installed. We have your security place over here. We have a good security personnel. And of course, if you can see, this whole place has, call them cabros. Yeah, this place is have cabros. We know more because today we have brought you to Clifton Court here in Mugutha 14 or Mugutha Ruiru. This, welcome on board. This is the house that we're looking for today. It's 4 bedroom with an SQ here in one floor. So I want to take you through the entire house so that you can have a feeling and a texture what is installed, what you can get yourself with slightly 20 million Kenya shillings here today. Comes with the SQ. So SQ is where maybe you have yourself or cousin, you want to stay somewhere, you don't want them maybe to stay in your house, they have an SQ. So this is one. Just before you get into the house, you have this beautiful big parking area. Yeah, you can park maybe 1, 2, or 3 cars here. And of course, looking at this beautiful mattress over here, it has some beautiful colors. And of course, if you love privacy, I bet you this is the place to be. So, when you enter this mansion, the first thing that you find here is this beautiful tiles in an African way. These are one of the best beautiful tiles which are installed in this house. This is what we call an open kitchen. You can have yourself an open kitchen here, and of course, next to it you have yourself a good place where you can install your dining table. So if you want to move anything you can install, there are good place drawers or you can store anything or you can store anything that you may need to install here in your kitchen. We have this installed socket over here. So if you want to have yourself a blender, if you want to cook, if you want to have maybe a kettle, if you want to warm your water, you can have it from here. This is a big, let's say, kitchen for those who love cooking. So if you want to have anything you want to have in terms of cooking, you have a safe sink over here. You can do your washes over here. Then you can cook from here. Then you can come place your food here. Then you can serve from this place. This place can be used as your table because over here you can have yourself the dining table. Over here you have big installed what we call it windows, because for those who love houses, they know that lighting is something of crucial, so much crucial when it comes to houses. So if you want to have this place of light, you have big lighting. So if you install your panels over here, you know you're gonna have some good lighting in this house. So let's go back to the kitchen. When you're in the kitchen, you need some spaces so that you can maybe install something. You maybe have your unga, you have your things on the cook. You don't just store them here in these drawers over here. You have yourself a good looking pantry. Before you have a shelf in the house, you have yourself this good looking pantry. So in this pantry you can store everything you want to store, from cereals to everything that you may need in your kitchen. Okay, we have finished the kitchen. So when you are here, you have yourself a back. You can go to you want to finish this first floor or ground floor. From the kitchen, you can now exit to the backyard. Yeah, you had me right. If you want to do your laundry, we have yourself a very good serenity of doing your laundry. So if you don't do your laundry, you have lines over here where you can do your laundry. Also, for those who love their faces, you have some greener glasses. Yes, it's already installed for you. You have yourself some plantation because they say so that you can be able to do maybe the oxygen and carbon CO2 to maybe balance them. That's where you have this plantation. Yeah, so that's all we have for you here in the ground floor. But we haven't even entered the living room and the bedrooms. We are here because we want to know, can a family stay in this area? What is it installed for you here? So that we have done the kitchen, the dining, and also the backyard where we have done for you this greener plantation, the lights and place you can do laundry. So let's get back in the house so that now we can go see the bedrooms, how they look, and also the living room. So follow me. Now you find yourself in the living area. It has a well-installed ceiling with some gypsums over here, with good lighting in it. Of course, you look at the walls; they have well painted because people love painting. We have not used so many colors over here, just one color, the green light. Why? Because when people love good lighting, they love one color. They don't love so many mixtures of colors. That's why we have tried as much as possible to at least minimize the lighting or the colors here in the living room or in even the entire house. From the living room, you can have the first bedroom. Now we are getting into the bedrooms. The first bedroom here on the ground floor is the bedroom for guests, the guest bedroom. So if my cameraman can come in. So before you get the bedroom, you have yourself the washroom and also have the washroom, and also you have and then you can have your baby. So my cameraman can show you there as we get into the bedroom on the first floor. This is the guest bedroom. So it is as their bedroom. It has itself some good big wardrobes. So if we open here, you can see yourself that these are big wardrobes. So why they can put their clothes over here. So no, we have these big wardrobes here so that anyone can use it when you have the guest room over here. This is all you have. It's a big place where you can install maybe 4 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6, maybe bedroom or bed space. You have a bigger bed space here in the guest room. Bigger windows so that you can have much lighting and this exposes you to the backyard. So this is the first floor where we have that as the bedroom. So from there, we want to go up into the other bedrooms. So we have these well-placed staircases. Yeah, we have these well-placed staircases. In these staircases, they bring you now from the living space, from the kitchen, from the dining, from the guest bedroom. Now in the other, maybe family room, you have family room, and also you have the other bedrooms. So when you go up the stairs, these beautiful installed looking stairs with this beautiful African looking, then we can call them some tiles. You get the first room here on your left. This is the TV room. Yeah, TV room, study room, or we can call it family area or family room. Here you can mount your TV. Here we have already installed for you these good looking sockets. So if you want to install your TV over here, you can install them. Look at here. It's looking so adorable. It's so much lighting in this room. Imagine this is just a TV area. So if you want to have yourself some good atmosphere with your family, watching some TV, some movies. You know, some families have some movies. So you can use this as your TV area and also the study room. So if your kids are done, you can have your kids over here. When they are doing their studies, you can be having some conversation over there down in the living room. But if you want to watch something, you can use this as the TV area, study room, and also family area. From there, we go to the first bedroom for the kids. So if you have some maybe 1, 2 kids, they can have 7 bedrooms. Yeah, you can be right. That's where we get to the first bedroom. So this here is the first bedroom where you can install well-installed windows. Yes, windows. We have these big looking wardrobes. Yeah. So unaangalia hizi wardrobe ni kubwa kubwa vizuri, so that it is to share any piece ama how many clothes ama nguo za aina yote. We have these wardrobes big enough, and also we have some drawers over here. So hakuna kuogopa kuona nguo mingi, hapana. No, we have these big wardrobes so that anyone nguo zozote zinatoshea here. Also, in this, the beauty of this house, it has big lighting, it has good lighting, and of course, you have this good-looking balcony. You can get to the balcony, you see this back door over here. So if you want to have a chit chat, you want to maybe talk to someone, you want to listen to some music, you want to maybe study, make some phone calls, you are exposed to this good-looking balcony. from here you have this balcony. Remember, this is now the second bedroom that you are looking at. We started with the first bedroom, it was the guest room. We went to the family or TV or guest room, and then you are here, the first bedroom where kids can maybe stay. Then from there, when you are in this bedroom, you don't have to go outside because you want to use the washroom. This is the first, you have your washroom here, and of course, also, if you want to have some showers, yeah, we have already installed everything in this room for you to have shower. So, this now is the shower area. Remember, if you want to have some shower, you can have shower. You have this, you can wash your hands over here, and of course, you have installed these flowers with everything up to date things which are installed in this area. So this is the second room. Let's go to the other room before we wind up in this tour of this house. So when you get to this is the other bedroom. This is the third bedroom in this house. The third bedroom. I told you from the beginning that this is a 4-bedroom house with also a family room. So we can say it's like a 5-bedroom house, but it's 4 bedrooms with a family area or TV area or study room. So it concludes like 5 bedrooms there, going for just 20 million Kenya shillings here in Mugutha Ruiru. Yeah, Ruiru is growing so much. If you use about summer, Ruiru is one of the places which is growing very much. So in case this you can fit yourself like 4 or 5 by 6 or 6 by 6 bedroom beds here in this area, and of course you have this big window installed for you so that you can have as much as possible lighting in this area. So in case you want to have anything, you can have it from here. So, and of course we have this, the washroom from here, and of course you can have showers here. Then they look like exactly the same from our bedrooms. Then you can have at least have a different texture, different maybe feeling from inside here. So we go to the last wing or the last bedroom of this house. This is now the 4th bedroom of this 20 million mansion here in Mugutha. This now acts as the master bedroom. Yeah, this is now the master bedroom. They have the same kind of texture, they have the same kind of settings, but this is now bigger than the 2 other bedrooms that we have. The other bedrooms that we have seen with this bigger one room that you can install. You can maybe put your clothes over here. You can decide is it getting as a baba, as a mama. You can decide. And also, if you want to have maybe you want to have this installed mirrors so that in case you want to work here, you can maybe for your makeup or your wife with the makeup, they can use this. We have these mirrors already installed over here. So yeah, and of course it has the balcony. So from this area you can get exposed or you can get yourself into having this balcony, and you come from here. It's what 20 million can get you here in Mugutha. That was me, your host for today. My name is Isaac, and in case you want us to visit your place, just call the number on the screen, and of course we're gonna pay a visit to your place and showcase what your estate, what your house has for us today. Till next time, I tell you to subscribe and share. Till next time, have a safe and good afternoon. Bye bye.